Hello, for today's video is how to recover deleted Instagram account. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So basically, the first thing you want to know is that if you are trying to get back deleted Instagram account, the stance for Instagram is if it's been past 30 days, once you permanently deleted your account, you can't recover it. However, if you have only temporarily deleted it or you did a permanent delete, you have the 30-day grace period that you can go to log back in by going to instagram.com or going to the app, just like in normal. And it will bring you up menu saying, are you sure you want to reactivate your account? And you'll get in that way. But if we're talking about something that's been past 30 days, it's pretty hard to get back in. But there's another way that you can try to go ahead and get back into your account. And I'm going to show you that now. So if you want to get up on Instagram, and we're going to Instagram help page. So this is the link. But once you get this link, it's going to open up with this page. And this is where we're going to get in contact with Instagram and try to recover our account. It says, my Instagram account was deactivated. So basically, if Instagram deleted your account and it wasn't your fault, it was something about community guidelines or something happened on the end and they deleted your account, then this is going to be how you recover your account. So we're going to go through, then the very bottom is going to say, is this account used to represent a business or service? And you can say if it's yes or if it's a personal Instagram account. Let's go ahead and hit no. And then it's going to bring up this menu where you're going to fill out your first name, last name, your Instagram, handle your email, and then what country you're writing this form from. And then hit send. Once you hit send, you're going to receive an email from Facebook, Instagram. They're owned by the same company, so that's why it's going to say Facebook right here. But it basically says, thanks for contacting us. Before we can help you, we need to verify who you are. Make sure this is your account, so it asks you to take a picture of yourself holding this code. You write down on a piece of paper, you hold it, you take the selfie with it, showing those numbers, and you send it in the box right here, like the JPEG. That's it, well lit, that you have both hands holding the sheet of paper. They just want to make sure it's you. So if you follow these directions, it's going to stay in the email. Then you can go ahead and resubmit it to this mail. And then you're going to get an email back from Instagram. It will give you a link, and this is how you reopen your account. If they accept your application, your appeal to reopen your account, they think that the picture was you. They believe you, then they'll give you the link and you can go ahead and re-enter into your account just clicking on that link. If you guys have questions of any of these, let us know in the comment section below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and like.